Hello, my name is Zoe and I'm the School Support Coordinator with ChatterHigh. Today I'm going to show you how to create your ChatterHigh account. So, first things first, go to ChatterHigh.com and here click on Create Account. You have two different options. First, you can choose to sign up with Google. If you want to do that, click on this button and choose the account you would like to use to continue on to ChatterHigh. Your second option is to use your email address and a password. So you can fill out this information here. Whichever way you chose to sign up, you'll then be taken to this page where you'll need to fill in the necessary information to complete your registration. So first, fill out the personal details. You'll need your first name, last initial, and user type. Make sure to put in student. Then, choose how you identify. Once that's done, you can scroll down and go to school details. Here, fill out the information about your school. So pick your country, your province. You can type the name of your school and select your grade. You can then scroll down to question details. Here, you can choose how you would like to receive your questions. So first, you can choose to opt out of faith-based questions. If you'd like to do that, activate the first toggle. Then, if you'd like to only receive French language questions, activate the second toggle. Once that's done, you can scroll to other details, and here you can select anything that applies to you. Once you're ready, click on Save Details. If you get the following error text, there might be an error. For example, here, I noticed that I haven't put in my email correctly. So I can correct the mistake, put in my password again. Here I can verify that all my information is still correct, and when I'm ready, go to Save Details. When your registration has been completed without error, you'll see this page. You should verify your account by going to your email inbox and clicking on the link we've sent you. If you can't find the email from ChatterHigh in your inbox, I encourage you to also check your spam folder or junk email. It's possible that the email might have ended up there. If you encounter any problems during this process, please do not hesitate to contact us by email at info@chatterhigh.com. If you've signed up with your Google account, your email has already been verified, and you can simply log in. Once your email is verified, you're ready to log in for the first time. To do that, click on Login. Then, select either to sign in with Google or put in the email and password that you've selected. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Then, you should be brought to your ChatterHigh dashboard. Before you start quizzing, I suggest that you join your teacher's class if they've created one. To do that, click on the arrow next to your name and go to My Classes. Here, you'll be able to see all the classes that has been created in your school. So you can either scroll down, find your teacher, and click on Join Class, or you can put here the class code that your teacher has provided. Once you've joined a class, I invite you to go back to your dashboard and start quizzing. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach us and we'll be happy to help.